Good morning, beautiful soul. If you're watching this, it's because you woke up feeling anxious, restless, or heavy. Maybe your mind is already racing with the day ahead, with what could go wrong, with what you have to do. And I want you to know, you're not broken. You're not weak. You're human. And this simple practice can help you start the day from a place of calm, not chaos. Anxiety in the morning is very common. Our nervous system is still waking up. Our brain is replaying yesterday, planning tomorrow, and worrying about everything in between. But here's the truth, you are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. So instead of fighting the anxiety, instead of trying to fix it right away, let's do something much simpler. Come back to your body. Because when you're grounded in your body, your mind can't pull you into the future or the past. You come back to the only moment that is real, now. Here's what to do, the moment you notice anxiety when you wake up. Stay in bed or sit comfortably. Don't jump up. Don't check your phone. Just stay where you are. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Feel the weight of your body on the mattress or chair. Feel the contact with hyperface beneath you. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Let your belly rise, then your chest. And a slow breath out through your mouth. Let your chest fall, then your belly. Repeat this for just 1 minute. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Let your body soften with each breath. If thoughts come, just notice them, like clouds passing in the sky. Come back to the breath. Come back to the body. This is not about making anxiety disappear. It's about creating a small space where you are not controlled by it. Where you remember, you are safe. You are here. You are enough. Over time, you'll notice. Your mornings feel calmer. Your mind is clearer. You make decisions from a place of peace, not fear. This is not religion. It's not about believing in something outside of you. This is merely a method grounded in facts. Follow us for more practices and subscribe.